Hi, this is Rick from Mirangu. Today I'm going to treat the puzzle The Star Shaft, published on the 3rd of January of this year. And for those of you who are wondering why the name Star Shaft, well, in the Egyptian pyramids there are shafts, air shafts, pointing upwards, and supposedly the soul of the pharaoh who was buried in the pyramid was going through the shaft straight to the stars. So that's why they were called star shafts. What you're seeing here is a square and an equilateral triangle, so with 3 equal sides. On the one hand you have the midpoint of the left side called M, and there is an altitude raised to the upper left vertex of the square, and it is extended to the right side of the triangle. The question is, what is the proportion of the yellow length to the red length? Well, I'm going to apply the strategy of our esteemed follower Okan Atalay from Turkey. And what he does is, first of all, well, let's make visible again all the other vertices. What he does is he draws an altitude to M, because this is the midpoint and it is an isosceles triangle. It is perpendicular also to the side AE. So what we have is that this angle is right. Then we draw a parallel line to the left side to the point G. So it is also it's parallel, so it's also perpendicular here. Let's confirm that. So this angle is also right, and of course then this angle is also right. So we have a rectangle HGIM. So now put the dimensions in. So we have the yellow length, let's call it Y. We have the red length called R, and because of this rectangle, this side, is also R. So we have that GI is also R. Now, the second part of the proof implies that this length is also here. Why is that? Well, we have a 30-degree angle over here, making with this right angle making this 60, so the 30-degree angle is also over there. Let's put it there. Yes. Now, of course, this angle is also 30 degrees because of the equilateral triangle. This is 60, the total is 90, so this is also 30. So what we have is that this quadrilateral basically has a symmetry axis, and it's exactly the symmetry, it's exactly the diagonal. And indeed, what you see is that the diagonal from the square passes through the point G exactly. So this means that this length equals this length, so we can put Y over here as well. And finally, what we see is that this right triangle is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Exactly because what this is dividing the angles, the 60-degree angle in two. So we have a 30-degree angle over there. So this BYG is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and it is very well known that the hypotenuse of such a triangle is exactly 2 times the short side. So what we have, and that's also our answer, that Y proportion to R equals 2 to 1. And that's the answer of this puzzle.